got a little flamingo toy in her mouth. Now she's trying to avoid me. Because she doesn't want me to photograph her. Oh, it's the cutest thing in the world. Oh, baby girl, it's the cutest thing in the world. Yes. Hey, it's the cutest thing in the world. Oh, you get that funky flamingo. Yeah. What's that Frankie doing? Yeah. What's Frankie doing? Good girl.
Well, I just thought the way it ended before was a bit crap, so it'd be nice to see where things go this time.
So you want to pursue things?
Yeah. We've got a well, there's no denying that.
Oh, it's so cute. Good girl. You get that Frankie flamingo. Yeah, you get it. You get it. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah. Oh, my little sweet daughter. I love you. Yes, yes, you're such a good girl. Yeah, you are. You're a sweet daughter. Yeah, you bite that funky flamingo. You got him now, mate. Good girl. Yeah. So cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're so very cute. Yay!